Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the guest faculty vacancies notification from the state as well as the central universities, guys. So really it is a very good opportunity if you are having the required qualifications, and here the consolidated salary is 61,700 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the first university is Rajiv Gandhi University from Arunachal Pradesh, and you may check down here the few vacancies are there for the junior research fellow as well as a project associate, and the walk-in interview for guest faculty physical education and for guest faculty sports sciences. So first we will see the sports science. Okay, so it is a PDF or as a notification regarding the sports science, and you may check down. So department MA in sports psychology and MSc in strength training and conditioning. Okay, and here the total 26 number of posts are there. So really it is a very good opportunity, guys. And the next one is MSc in sport physiology, biomechanics, and as well as the anthropometry certificate course. So here the qualification and experience required is master's degree with 55% of marks in the physical education in any Indian university or else the equivalent degree from accredited foreign university. So besides fulfilling the above qualification, the candidate must have cleared the national eligibility test or else a similar test accredited by the UGC like the SLET or SET. Okay, and next the consolidated salary is mentioned here, 1000 rupees per class to maximum up to 25,000 rupees per month, and it is a walk-in interview, guys. Okay, so advertisement walk-in interview. Invited from eligible candidates for engagement of part-time or guest faculty in the Department of Sports Science. And here the date, time and venue is 13th May 2021, so morning 10 a.m. in the Department of Physical Education, Rajiv Gandhi University. And a personal interview of the shortlisted candidates shall be conducted through offline or online only on the request through Google Meet. The applicants must provide his or her personal contact number and emails for the correspondence. So based upon the requirement or else based upon the university rules, they are going to conduct the offline or else as well as the online mode type of interview. So candidates appearing in the interview in person shall have to bring the original copies of the supporting documents for verification purpose, whereas the candidates who are appearing for the online interview have to do the same at the time of joining if they are selected for the post. And the TADA will not be provided for the physical attendance of the interview, and the selected candidates shall be required to join in the university within 7 days from the date of the offer letter, and the appointee shall not engage directly or indirectly to any other employment services, and the candidate may contact, okay, here the contact number is given and here the HOD mail ID is also given. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact or else you may put your query to the provided mail ID. So it is the advertisement regarding the Rajiv Gandhi University from sports science, guys. And the next one is physical education. So click on that one and then you will be directed to this PDF. So here you may check down physical education master's degree. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification. So here also the consolidated salary will be paid 1000 rupees per class and maximum up to 25,000 rupees per month. And the date and time and venue is also the same thing. Okay, 13th May 2021 morning 10 o'clock in the physical education department. So interested candidates may appear for walk-in interview on time and date mentioned above along with the biodata stating the qualifications, experience, specialization, etc. with original supporting documents, and the post is purely temporary for 1 semester less. However, the service may be extended if needed by the university, and the TADA will not be provided here. So in case of any queries, here the concerned mobile number is given here, so you may contact this number. Okay, so these are the two recruitments from the Rajiv Gandhi University. One is from physical education and second one is from sports science, guys. And coming to the next one, what I want to show you is the Central University vacancy. So here this one is from the Department of Pharmaceutical Science. Okay, so online interview for appointment of assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences on purely contractual basis, and the consolidated salary is 61,700 rupees per month, will be held as per the schedule given below. So the two positions are there, one for SC and one for OBC. The specialization is pharmacology and the department is pharmaceutical sciences, and the date and the time of online interview 5th May 2021 at morning 11:30, and the link for interview will be sent through your email ID. And the candidate should fulfill their application on the prescribed proforma and scan along with the self-attested copies of all necessary necessary certificates and documents. The copy of the complete application should reach the establishment branch, and the format of application you may download from this link, guys. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you need not to set separately in the Google, guys. And here the application form for the teaching post is also given here. So take down the printout of this one and fill up all these things and scan these things. Okay, and be ready at the time of interview, guys. Okay, so these are the details regarding the recruitment of assistant professor on contract basis from the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences in Central University of Haryana. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. Okay, whatever the departments I shown you right now from the State University as well as the Central University, it will be very much helpful to your friends or colleagues. Okay, and for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UG Senate candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide